So far, repeated to the brown door. Okay.
Day 9 on the Intrepid tour, and today the itinerary says, free day, no guide, no schedule. Just me and whatever this city wants to show me. I start at the Zócalo, Plaza 31 de Marzo. And I do what you're supposed to do here, nothing for a moment. Just to stand in it. San Cristóbal sits at 2,200 meters. The air is thinner up here. Your body slows down whether you want it to or not. I think that's the point. The cathedral took nearly 300 years to finish. In 2017, an 8.1 magnitude tremor hit Chiapas and brought parts of it down again. It only just reopened after 5 years of restoration. The doors are closed today, I can't go in, but honestly, there's something fitting about that. Some things you just have to admire from outside. Just west of the cathedral is Plaza de la Paz, Peace Square. It was named after the Zapatista uprising, a 1994 rebellion against the Mexican government that started right here in Chiapas. The shoe shiners are here too, working quietly. These men have probably seen every protest, every march, every government that's passed through. They just keep polishing. Rio de Guadalupe, that's where I'm heading next. This city knows how to dress itself. Every shopfront is like a painting someone couldn't stop adding to. Rio de Guadalupe is the artery of modern San Cristóbal. Cafés, art, textiles, young travelers mixing with local vendors. History out one window, Wi-Fi out the other. At the end of the street is the hill, Cerro de Guadalupe. There's always a hill. 79 steps to the top. At 2,200 meters, you count them. I took the long slope up, around the back of the hill. Prettier houses with painted walls. Views opening up between them. It was worth every extra minute. The church up here was built in 1712 on the site of an Aztec temple. Someone always builds on top of what came before. And then, just as I reached the gates, a funeral procession was coming out. Dozens of people, slow, quiet, dignified. Whoever they were mourning, this city clearly loved them. I stepped aside and just watched. There's something about witnessing grief in a place you've never been before. It makes you feel less like a tourist and more like a human. Inside, I sat in the pews for a while. Didn't pray, just sat. Let the altitude and the incense and the silence do their work. The altarpiece catches the light in a way that feels deliberate, like the whole building was designed around that one moment. Outside, the countryside spreads below you. Zinc rooftops, mountains, clouds. It's the kind of view that makes the climb feel like it was never really about the steps. Ask anyone in San Cristóbal where to find the real city, and they'll send you here. Mercado Municipal, José Castillo Tielemans. Potatoes, chilies, green beans still in their skins. Everything here grew from this same highland soil. Pyramids of citrus, piled with quiet pride, and beside them, river snails, dark and ancient. The market arranges beauty in its own way. I got completely lost in here. Completely, happily lost. I found a hole-in-the-wall restaurant, and I ordered the sopa de pan. It's the dish of Chiapas, a broth made with bread, boiled eggs, plantain, green beans. It tastes like someone made it specifically for this altitude, for this kind of morning, for exactly this hunger. At one of the stalls nearby, I spotted woven huipils and heavy black wool skirts, Tzotzil Maya textiles. We are visiting a Tzotzil community later this afternoon, but I didn't know that when I stopped to look. The city was preparing me without telling me. The Andador Turístico is where San Cristóbal shows off. Papel Picado flags, those cut paper banners, strung wall to wall across the street, every color you can imagine, catching the Highland light. This is a city that has perfected the art of being alive slowly. One more hill. There's always one more hill. From up there, you understand San Cristóbal differently. The red rooftops spread out into the valley. The mountains ring the whole thing like they're protecting it. Clouds moving slowly, church bells below. And you're just standing at 2,200 meters, slightly out of breath, wondering how a single day can hold this much. San Cristóbal doesn't rush, it breathes. Every street here holds centuries. At this altitude, perspective changes. Cities like this aren't visited, they're absorbed.